I'll show you how you can withdraw from Honeygain. First off, from the app, you can also try this from the dashboard in itself. So dashboard.honeygain.com. You can open the dashboard from the application here. You can tap on this blue link here to open the dashboard on your preferred browser. Now, on the browser here, on the overview section here, you can see there's going to be a button that says pay out. Now, you can see right now on the payout, it's not available. You can't pay it out because the button is not available. Because you can see you need to collect $20 to request a payout. So if you collect $20 to request a payout, and then you can pay out. But of course, it's going to be slow. So either you need to get that $20 by, let's say, you can do referrals. So things like referrals, if you get your friends to register, they'll get $3. And if they pay out, you get $5. So it'll kind of cascade into a ton of earnings if you can get a friend. So if you get $20, I'll show you real quick what that will look like. Once you get $20, you can see there'll be a button now that says request payout. Once you click on that, you'll see that the equivalent of $20 will be sent to you in 2 business days.